Yo, what's up guys, it's Ranjit Plays, and today I'm going to show you how to get a girlfriend. Okay guys, so the first thing you want to do is uninstall Osu. Okay, so to do that, you go to your start menu, and then you type in programs, and then you see this first thing that says add or remove programs. You want to click that. Okay guys, now this screen has showed up, so go to search this list and then type in Osu. Okay guys, can you see Osu? Now you wanna click on it. Can you see it says latest? I don't know why it says that. Now click uninstall. We are sad to see you leave. Sad face. And that's it guys, now you can get a girlfriend. Now step 2, go outside. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and comment if you want another guide.